Hello friends, welcome back to the Method Trading friends. Today is a really tough day for intraday trader because working in this setup of market, my God, premium is not increasing and the brilliant breakouts is getting failed, and this is really tough for the retail traders, those who are working especially with the low capital and those who are uh, having the less experience, the lower experience in the market, and also for the seller some point of. But what one can do, and why this is happening in the market. So the first things is that this is happening because we have the very low IV here, right? So if we will have the low IV, the moment will very less in the market, right? And option trading is basically for the buyers is based on the moment trading. So in this setup, it's really difficult for the option buyers, right? So what should we do? We should stop trading, or we should try to trade in a stock or something else. No, we need to think about 2 points, right? One thing is that we need to work in the money. As much as possible, you can go in the money and take the higher premiums. That approx if you are trading in the Nifty and you are trading on the 150 plus premium price, then you are going to get 30 point, 60 point, 70 point moment in the market. Otherwise, if you will work in the below 100 premium, you will get only 15 point, 20 point moments, including that the breakouts and all those levels. So you basically get the 10 points of moment, and you will not book the profit, and the end of the day you will be in the loss. I'm in the loss from the last 2 days, and I don't have an issue to accept this. The market is not, giving me opportunity to work. Honestly speaking, this is very tough uh, for me also to trade in this set of market, because working in the a small capital and having without selling and buying these setups, it's really difficult. So I hope that things it will be easy and it will get improved. So if the IB will increase, it will be really easy to work in this setup. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Those who are not showing, you may have seen that, observe on the Twitter and other platform, that the people are not sharing their profits, right? Except few people, of course, they work in the large amount of capital and big amount of capital, and that's why they have the opportunity, they have the edge over the market, because they can take the delivery of the trade, or they can sell the market. They have the lots of opportunity to work in this setup. But especially those who are working with 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs capital in the day, it is going to be really difficult for them. Especially those who are working below 30,000 rupees capital. uh, I will suggest them to, possibly stop the trading for the few days, because when you are fighting with someone that is not responding you, so you cannot win that fight, right? Because the person is not responding you, the person is not uh, taking giving up, person is in the statue mode. So simply you will hit the statue again and again, you will not get benefit of it. So market is on the same mode, market is like standing premium are liking in statue mode. It's not getting increased and even not getting, both sides there are low levels of volatility. So what it's really difficult, and I was also yesterday I did loss. Today I also, today loss was completely, very low, but yes, loss yesterday loss was bit bigger. So one things I will say suggest for the those who people traders are working below 30,000 rupees capital, because I always focus on the retail traders. I mean micro retail traders. They have the less than 30,000, 20,000 capital for the day trading. I focus more on them. I focus more on those who are not experienced in the market. So I will suggest them to stay out of the market, have some study of the book, try to understand the chart, do some work on the market for a month, and then when the market will have the very good weeks. I mean that is above the 14, at least 15, so you can start trading, and it will be also opportunity for you to learn about the market. It's not always practical things daily, setup you are coming at the 10, 9, 15 and having the trade, end of the day you are loss and profit. This cycle must always sometimes broken. Study, try to study the more literatures, I mean books on this, try to practice on, try to different type of learning, maybe people coaching and all those things will improve your uh, thought, and there will be more clarity in your mind for the trading. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for all these supports.